All right, today I have a Ford Bronco, and I'm going to show you where brake fluid is added inside of a Ford Bronco. You're going to need brake fluid in order to stop your vehicle when you're driving. So it's important that you know where the compartment is for the brake fluid. With that being said, I'm going to show you, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so here is the Ford Bronco, and you can see I have the doors open, or the hood open, exposing the engine. Now, the compartment for the brake fluid, if you walk in, you'll see that there's a lot of things going on. But on this particular model, if you look to the back side right here, this is where you add brake fluid. It's in that compartment underneath there. All right, so underneath that cap is where the brake fluid goes. There is some instructions on the lid that talks about adding the brake fluid. It's important that you read your owner's manual so you know exactly how to add brake fluid to your Ford Bronco. But it's under that compartment right here. See, there's lines in there. It shows the max fill or whatever, but that is where you add the brake fluid. All right, hope this video was helpful. If you need help, read your owner's manual or get a mechanic to do it for you. Thanks a lot for watching.